What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the fam. What the fuck? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting a lot of questions. First off, I would like to say thanks, guys, for helping me get to 1,500 subscribers. I really appreciate it. We got 1,500 Suprenits following me. Just enjoying my journey, asking me a bunch of questions, and kind of, I guess, looking up to me for motivation. That's kind of like what I'm doing here. So I do appreciate everybody who's subscribing, everybody who's DMing me on Instagram. Really do appreciate it. I hope you guys know that. I am sorry that I haven't posted in 4 weeks. But I keep saying that I'm gonna post every single week, but I don't get to it. So I really am apologetic for it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video. So this video is gonna actually be a step-by-step process on how I actually lost 120 pounds. A lot of you guys who follow my channel have saw my insane fat loss transformation video, and you guys are a little bit confused on how I actually did it, what are the steps, and how you can do it too. My DMs on Instagram are blowing up about it, so I was like, you know what, why not just do a video about it? So that's what I'm doing. So I actually wrote down 4 steps on how you guys can achieve the same results, and let's go ahead and get into it. So step 1 is going to be acknowledgement and mindset, right? So I would imagine if you're watching this video, you're probably literally just getting into fitness, and probably know nothing about fitness. So I think the number one thing to do here, and what I did, was acknowledging that I'm not where I want to be right now, this current state, and just understanding that, right? Like looking at yourself in the mirror, understanding that you're not where you want to be, but you got to know where you want to be too. So like for me at that time, because I was super overweight, I just wanted to lose weight. I didn't care about muscle, I didn't care about getting lean, I didn't care about abs, I didn't care about any of that. I just wanted to be skinny, right? So if you're in the same boat, this is kind of like, this video can be for you. If you want abs and muscle and all that stuff, I'm not going to surround this video around that. This is going to be completely for people who just want to lose weight. And then it'll have to be your mindset, right? So like your mindset, which is also a part of step 1, has to be, ready for this to happen. You have to be so sick of being overweight that nothing is going to stop you to complete this weight loss journey. Step 2 is going to be being more active. When I was first losing weight, I started getting into football, and I remember I was a lineman, right? And linemen are always heavier set, always bigger. And I remember my friend was a lineman too, so we were both linemen. And he was like, you know what, forget this, I'm gonna be a linebacker, I'm gonna lose weight. So in order to be a linebacker, you have to lose weight. So I was like, yeah, whatever, go ahead and, try, whatever. I wasn't really trying to lose weight at that point. So when I saw that he was losing weight and it was actually working, I was like, yo, tell me what you're doing, etc., and I'm gonna do it too. So we started doing it together. And what we started doing was, we literally, every single time from school, so we were in high school, every single time from school, we'd come home and we'd run 30 minutes every single day. Non-stop, 30 minutes every single day around my neighborhood. I didn't feel comfortable in the gym. I didn't feel comfortable to go in the gym. Like, I just felt like people were gonna stare at me. I didn't know what I was doing, etc. You guys have already probably felt that way before. So if you don't want to go to the gym, no problem. You still need to be active though, because that's how you burn fat. You need to sweat it off. You need to get your heart active, your heart rate up, etc. So if you don't want to go to the gym, I recommend running 30 minutes a day. And then when I would run 30 minutes a day, I would come home and do home workouts. So I'm talking like burpees. I would do push-ups, sit-ups. I would put a shirt and then just like tug it and do some curls with it. I would tug it and do some curls with it, go right back into burpees, and do it for like 15 minutes every single time after my 30-minute workout of running around the block. So being active would be step 2. Step 3 is going to be common sense diet and a gallon of water a day. So a common sense diet, guys, if you don't know what that means, It's not really like a thing out there. I just kind of like made up my own word. But common sense diet is like, guys, we all know what we need to eat to lose weight. We all know what's healthy, and what's healthy is vegetables every single day, like 1 serving of vegetables every single day, of serving of fruit, and having a little bit more protein. If you're a vegan, you can still get protein a different way. I'm not the guy to talk to about that, but I would eat more chicken, eat more beef, eat more ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever it is. Eat more of that, and then eat less carbs. And if you're gonna eat carbs, stick to rice, which doesn't matter. You can have brown rice or white rice. You can have potatoes. You can have sweet potatoes. The key, if you're gonna do this, is to not have a huge amount of it, right? So you can eat healthy all day long, but if you're eating healthy like way too, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be calories. It's calories in and calories out. So it doesn't matter what you really eat, because if you have a lot of it, you're still gonna gain weight. So have less carbs. Still have carbs though. Don't cut them out completely, because then you'll suffer other consequences. But have less carbs, high protein, fruits and vegetables every single day, and then moderate fat. So fat's like a little bit of peanut butter, a little bit. You can find fat in lean ground beef. You can find fat in ice cream. You can have fat in, look at the nutrition facts. But the key is to have high protein, moderate fat, and low carb diet, but not like super low carbs. Like just, have like a serving of carbs every single meal you have. And then a gallon of water a day. Guys, you need to flush it out every single day. When you wake up, you take that morning crap, you take that morning piss, whatever it is, you need to drink a gallon of water every single day and get used to it, because if you get in shape, and you want to get muscle, you need a gallon of water every single day. So get used to it. Bring a gallon of water, or have 8 water bottles every single day, and just do it. I know it sucks probably, just do it. Also, cut out the soda. No soda. If you're gonna have soda, have diet soda. I know diet soda is bad because of aspartame or whatever, but I still drink diet soda, and I still was drinking diet soda when I was losing weight. So it's all, because again, it's about calories in and calories out to lose weight, and then your heart rate to burn fat. And then step 4 would just be discipline and consistency. So you need motivation, right? I hope you guys got motivation from my insane fat loss transformation and motivation from my videos. But motivation means nothing if you don't have discipline, guys. And that goes with, if you haven't yet experienced discipline in your life, then this would be the perfect time to experience it, because not only do you have to have discipline in weight loss and in the gym and fitness, but you need to have discipline in your whole life, right? I'm still working on the whole life part, but I got fitness down to a key. So discipline, guys, means more than motivation. Motivation is the start, it's the fire. Discipline is to keep you going, keep the fire lit, keep it from burning out. So it kind of goes hand in hand with consistency, because you need to go for a long time. Guys, don't expect to lose weight overnight. Don't expect to lose 15 pounds in 1 month. Don't expect to lose 50 pounds in 1 month. And don't expect to lose 50 pounds by your birthday or a vacation or whatever it is. Guys, this is a lifestyle. If you're overweight, welcome to the new lifestyle. This is a lifestyle of going to the gym 2 to 5 days, 2 to 7 days out of the week. Get used to it, because it's happening, and you need to have it happen. And because you're gonna feel better. It's longevity of your life. Because once you get in shape, what are you gonna do? Just gain it right back? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So it's a lifestyle, guys. Treat it as a lifestyle. It might suck at the beginning. The first 3 weeks suck, but guys, as long as you have the mindset, the discipline, and the consistency, you'll get to where you want to be. That's no problem. Your body is gonna adjust to how it's moving. So if you're running 30 minutes a day and you're doing home workouts and you're eating right and you're drinking a gallon of water a day, your body is going to adapt to what it needs to actually look like to keep doing what you're doing. So have the discipline, have the motivation too, but keep the consistency up, and understand that it's not going to happen overnight. You kind of deserve to struggle a little bit because you came this far. I deserve to struggle a little bit. and you'll never forget it. It'll be a crazy experience for you to go through. And I can tell you right now, a big thing that got me going was that I can be overweight, if not bigger, for the rest of my life, or I can just change my life in 1 year. And that's exactly what I did. My life changed in 1 year of losing weight. For all you guys asking, it took me a year to get skinny, and I lost 120 pounds in a year. So that's pretty much gonna wrap up the step-by-step video on how I actually did this, guys. If you have any other further questions, go ahead and send me a DM on my Instagram at @alexapprentice_. And obviously you guys can always comment down in the comment section. I am sorry about the 4 weeks of not posting. Promise you, I really am. You know, I'm gonna keep posting. Like, I'm not gonna stop posting. Whether it's 2 weeks, 1 week, 3 weeks, I'm gonna keep posting. Like, because I love this channel. I love you guys, and I'm gonna keep doing this. So comment any video suggestions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like the video if you learned something, and remember, the rent's due every single day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.